In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a channel to Amazon Prime Video. This is a straightforward process, but it's important to understand each step to make the most of your viewing experience. First, head over to the Prime Video website and sign in to your Amazon account. Make sure you're using the correct account, as the channels will be linked to it. This step is crucial because it ensures that your subscriptions are properly managed and billed. Once you're signed in, look for the Subscriptions or Channels option in the top navigation bar. The exact wording may differ depending on your region, but it serves the same purpose. This section is where you'll find all the available channel options you can add to your Prime Video account. From there, you can either browse through the available channels or use the search box to find a specific one. If you're not sure what you're looking for, browsing can be a great way to discover new content. On the other hand, the search function is handy if you have a particular channel in mind. After you've found a channel you're interested in, click on it to get more details. Here you will see the pricing, benefits, and any free trial offers available. It's always good to review these details carefully. This way you know exactly what you're signing up for and can take advantage of any free trials if offered. Next, click on the Start Free Trial, Subscribe, or Add Channel button. The option you see will depend on the channel you've selected and its current offer. This step is where you officially indicate your interest in subscribing to the channel. You'll then need to confirm your payment method. Make sure your payment information is up to date to avoid any disruptions. Once confirmed, complete the subscription process. Completing this step ensures that you're all set up and ready to start enjoying the new content. It's important because it locks in your subscription and, if applicable, starts your free trial. Once the subscription is active, you can watch the channel's content directly in Prime Video on supported devices. This means you can enjoy your favorite shows and movies right away without any extra steps. It's worth noting that some Prime Video apps, especially those on mobile devices, do not allow purchasing channel subscriptions directly due to App Store policies. If you don't see the option to add a channel in the app, don't worry. Simply use the Prime Video website in a browser instead. This workaround ensures that you can still access all the features and channels you want. And there you have it. You've successfully added a channel to Amazon Prime Video. Enjoy exploring and watching all the new content available to you. Remember, understanding each step ensures a smooth experience and helps you get the most out of your subscription. Thank you for watching and happy viewing.